So let's quickly see how we can create perfect YouTube channel art or perfect YouTube thumbnails. Okay, now the question is, why is it so important to create graphics that look stunning on your YouTube channel? There are millions of YouTube channels on YouTube and you need to stand out. You need to differentiate yourself from other channels. This is why you need to customize the channel art on your YouTube channel and use custom thumbnails for your videos. On a single page, there are multiple videos asking users to click on them, and the only way to grab attention is the thumbnails. Surely in most of the cases, YouTube has now started playing the footage so that user has an idea what the video is about, because a lot of people were using wrong thumbnails. But for a lot of people who use low speed internet or other devices where the auto playing off video is not supported, the YouTube thumbnail is the only way the user will get to know about what the video is all about. So it is your opportunity to tell the users what your video is offering. And this is why you should create a thumbnail that grabs the attention of the users among a lot of videos that appear on a single page. So if you want to know the exact banner size of the channel art or the YouTube thumbnail, it is flashing on the screen right now. You can note it down or you can take a screenshot of this so that you know what is the exact size of the channel art on YouTube and the YouTube thumbnails. And you can use Adobe Photoshop or similar type of photo generating tools to create thumbnails. But here is an easy solution for you, which also gives you a lot of ideas or inspirations to easily get started. It's Canva. Canva is free, although there is a paid version which gives you premium assets to use in your graphics, but the free version is pretty good to go. And this is the free version. Okay, so this is canva.com. It is a web app also, and there are apps available for different platforms. You can install them on your device, but it is better to open it in the web browser on your computer and then log in. Once you're logged in, you can use the search box to find YouTube thumbnails or YouTube channel art and just search for the templates. Good thing is it has got a lot of templates created by users so that you have some kind of idea or inspiration you can take from. You don't have to start from scratch, although you can start from a blank page, but you can take the inspiration from all the thumbnails available inside Canva. For example, this one looks good. If I'm creating a business type of video, this would be good. Maybe I will use my own image. So if I am in that video and I want to include myself in the thumbnail also, I will take a screenshot of myself from the video and then remove the background using remove.bg and then upload that image in Canva and replace this with my image. Although there is an inbuilt tool inside Canva which removes the background from any photograph, but it comes under the pro version. You will have to pay for it. So if you want to use the free version, this is a workaround. You can use remove.bg to remove the background of your photograph or your image and then save that image and upload it back to Canva and use it however you like. So if I have this, I can click on customize and it will open in a new window where I can customize anything. I think it is better than Adobe Photoshop or any type of graphic creating tool where you have to start from scratch. This is very good. And here is another tip to speed the process up. Instead of typing canva.com and going to the thumbnail, what you can do is you can create a template and then you can rename it. For example, your channel's name is Tech Tipper. So you will rename it something like Tech Tipper YouTube thumbnail. And then what you can do is you can bookmark this link in a folder named Canva in the bookmark bar so that it is available in just a single click. You can see this Canva folder which has the link of all the templates inside the Canva. So if I click on any of the templates here, it directly opens inside Canva and it makes the process of creating thumbnails pretty easy, pretty fast. And if you want to take it one step further, you can use TubeBuddy Chrome extension. It is available on the Chrome Web Store. Install this TubeBuddy Chrome extension, sign up and everything. And then when you are on your YouTube page where you write the description of your video and add things, add thumbnails, you will have the option of create thumbnail. This is given by the TubeBuddy Chrome extension. So it lets you grab a still from your video and then add text to it, add layers to it, add text to it, or you can use your own image that you have saved inside it. It is the fastest way to create custom thumbnails for your YouTube video. And this is not the only feature provided by TubeBuddy. It has got a lot of features. For example, you can see add chapters. So YouTube has introduced this chapters feature where you can time the parts of your video and convert them into chapters so that it is easier for the users to go on a particular topic they want to watch instead of watching the entire video. It is easier for them also, and it is easier for people who are looking for information while searching for it. And there are other features also. One interesting feature is the TubeBuddy Chrome extension makes it easy to add the tags to your video. Some of the key features that you want to use are free when you create an account with TubeBuddy. And there are also some amazing features that are behind a paywall. There is a subscription model. You can check that out by following the link in the description of this video. This is really useful Chrome extension for any YouTuber out there. So this was the video. I hope you found this information useful, and now you are able to create good thumbnails for your videos and channel art for your YouTube channel. There are more videos on the channel if you want to check it out. For future videos, you can subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.